Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you will learn how to sharpen a charcoal pencil with a long rounded edge lid so you can do flat stroke or thin strokes with that easily. Also, you will get to know why your pencil keep breaking if you don't sharpen them in a correct way. So, without any further delay, let's get into it. So let's talk about the tool first. The very first thing we will need is to have this craft knife or any paper cutter like this to sharpen the pencil. Also, you will need a sandpaper and of course some charcoal pencils. Before sharpening the charcoal, make sure you know to prevent breaking lids. Try not to use any sharpener like this because the charcoal pencils are a little more fragile than the graphite, so the lead tend to break easier by using this type of sharpener. So let's start the correct way to sharpening the charcoal. For this method, you have to hold your pencil in one hand and place the cutter in the other hand like this. And you have to push it with your thumb, so that's how you can get the strokes. So the first step to sharpening the pencil is to start removing the wood around the charcoal, so that a section of the charcoal is exposed. Now you are gonna break a lot of pencils doing this. You're gonna break the lead a lot of times, especially when you are at a learning to do this. Because it's difficult at the beginning, but with time you can become pro at it. Once the charcoal lid is completely exposed, now I'm going to use the craft knife to carve it more sharper, and then I'm going to use the sandpaper to start sanding the charcoal to bring the tip to a sharper point. Now I'm gonna bring the sandpaper and hold the pencil at an angle against the sanding block. The angle you hold the pencil against this block will determine how fast the point tapers in. Remember, the charcoal is fragile. If you apply much pressure, it will break easily. I know this is a messy process. Sharpen the pencil over something that is easy to clean. Once you have enough of the wood removed and the charcoal brought to a sharp point, the pencil is ready to use. So here is the finished result of the sharpened charcoal pencil. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next week. Till then, bye.